Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here, and in today's video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing in 2021. So if you are on this video right now and you want to make some high-ticket commissions, like check this out, $1,000 in a single day, maybe you want to make $2,000 in a single day, or maybe you're just someone who wants to make consistent, predictable income every single month, whether that's $3,000 a month every single month, 5,000, 7,000 a month, 10,000 a month, whatever your income goal is, then this video is going to show you exactly how you can do that with high ticket affiliate marketing. So super excited to get into this. I just want to say right off the bat, if you are on this video right now and you really want to get these massive results online, please stay with me to the very end of this video because I've got a really cool bonus at the end for you that will help you shorten your learning curve and really maximize your results for the long term, right? So if you are someone that's an action taker, and you want to start getting into action as soon as possible, as soon as today, then at the end of this video, I've got a really exciting bonus for you at the end that I'll reveal, right? So let's go ahead and let's dive right into things, right? So the very first thing that you want to have to get these high ticket commissions online is you're going to want to have a high converting offer and something that will pay you big ticket commissions, right? You don't want to go out there and market anything and everything that'll just pay you like $10 per sale, right? Because that's never fun. The earning potential with that isn't, too good. You want to go for something that will at least pay you $500 per sale or more. So that this way, it takes a lot less work for you to hit your income goal and you're able to get there much quicker, right? So the very first place you can go to find a high converting offer and something that will get you big ticket commissions is with marketplaces like Digistore24 and clickbank.com, right? So with Digistore24, I've been made plenty of videos on them over the past few months, and they've got plenty of offers on here that will pay you some pretty good commissions, right? So for example, here you have a program on here called Tube Mastery Monetization. This is a $997 product to get access to it. And whenever you sell one of these products, you get a 50% commission. So what this means for you is when you generate a sale of this $997 offer right here, you get about $500 for that one sale that you bring in. Now, my question to you is, if you can get just one of these every single week, do you feel that would make a difference in your life? I know for a lot of people, this would be a really great starting point, which is why you might consider leveraging a program like Tube Mastery Monetization to start getting some high ticket commissions online, right? So this is one option you can go right here. You could find other offers that are on Digistore. There's plenty of different programs you could look into, like Intelligent Cryptocurrency, which pays you about $300 per sale. And there's plenty of offers on here that you could simply look into. Or you have another marketplace known as ClickBank, which has been around for many years. And they have, check this out, a program here called 100K Blueprint, the 90-day to six figures with e-commerce. And for every single sale that you get of this program right here, you get about almost $1,000, like $919 per single sale. And I know for a lot of people, this would be a really great starting point. Imagine if you can get one of these every week or every 2 weeks at the very least. This, I know for a lot of people getting online would be a really great starting point, right? So this is another option you can consider looking into. Again, ClickBank has a lot of different programs that you could promote as an affiliate. Instant Publisher Biz Partner Program pays you $937 per sale. You have the membership method, $689 per sale. And again, there's plenty of offers in here that you can simply look through, right? So you could go on here, do a bit of research, see if you could find something that you could, kind of align with. And then if you find a great offer that you feel resonates with you, then you could decide to promote that as an affiliate. Now, if you aren't able to find a product off of ClickBank or Digistore24, the next place that I recommend going to find an offer online is with the Google search engine, right? So what you could do is, depending on the niche that you're in, you can go on the Google search engine and you could search up your niche plus affiliate programs, right? So in my case, I just put travel affiliate programs, for example, and here it brings up a list of different websites that share with you different, affiliate programs in the travel niche. So for example, here we have a, an article by Authority Hacker right here, 12 best travel affiliate programs for 2021, right? If we go to this article right here, this gives us a list of different travel programs you could promote. So check this out. This Priceline affiliate program right here pays you commissions up to 100% for every customer that you bring in, which is very good. You have the Skyroam affiliate program. This looks like it pays you 15%. I guess that's not like a lot right there, but you've got Tours for Fun. And this shows a pretty good earning potential right here, right? So you could look through different articles in your niche and see if you could find something that of course resonates with you. And again, the whole goal here is to get commissions that are of high ticket, right? So if you can get something that is at the very least 500 per sale, then that would be a really great starting point. Now, one more recommendation that I will give in terms of finding an offer online is that if you see other marketers that are making good money online, like big ticket commissions, guys like myself that are leveraging a program, then what you could do is you could simply check out the program that they're currently promoting, right? So if you want to check out the program that I'm in right now that's allowing me to get these $1,000 commissions online, there's going to be a link down below. The very first link below this video will give you access to the exact system that I'm plugged into. And this not only provides you a very high converting offer, but it provides you a lot of great resources like done for you capture pages, sales videos that do all the explaining for you. You have email follow-ups that go up on your behalf, so that your main focus is just getting eyeballs to the offer and letting it convert for you, right? So if you want to check that out, then you can go ahead, click on that link down below, and you can check out that program right there. But once you have an offer that you want to promote, then your next step is driving traffic, right? So when I say the word traffic, I'm not talking about, vehicles passing by here on the San Francisco Bridge. I'm talking about getting eyeballs to your potential business, right? So in business, online business, traffic is another word for getting eyeballs to see your offer that you're promoting, right? So there's a couple different places you can go to. Of course, if you have a following on any sort of platform like Facebook or YouTube, if you have people that know, like, and trust you on any of those platforms, you could always market to them, share with them what you're currently involved in, and that's a great way to get some pretty good traffic right there. Otherwise, if you don't already have a following built up and you want to start building, you want to start getting traffic as quickly as possible, what you could do is you could leverage a source known as solo ads, right? This is a very newbie-friendly method where you simply just find a vendor and you could just pay them to send clicks to your offer that you're promoting, right? So one really great place to go to is this Facebook group called Solo Ads Testimonials. So if you just go on Facebook, you go in the search engine right here, and you just search up Solo Ads Testimonials. You just search this in. You should be able to find this group right here that you could join. And right here, you have different members that are giving their testimonials for different vendors that they've bought from, right? So here is someone by the name of Sarah Chu. I believe I have bought from her before. And they show that, okay, so I ordered 200 clicks from them, received 250 plus clicks, got a very good opt-in rate of 43%, tier 1 traffic 80%, and then sales 30 plus sales, including tripwire sales, rebills, and upsells, right? So this is looking really good. And what you could do is you could simply reach out to Sarah Chu on here, right? So you could open up her Facebook profile, you could send her a message, and then, just set up a conversation with her. Show her that, okay, you have this offer that you want to promote. You are, you're looking to, of course, get some traffic, and then you could simply, have a chat with her and then see, what you guys can work out right there, right? So, of course, one thing that I will mention is that when you are getting traffic online, you want to send people to an opt-in page. This is where someone will land on a page, they get enter their email, and then that way they can get access to whatever you're marketing, right? The reason why you want to capture emails is because if someone doesn't buy right then and there on the front end, then you could always follow up with these people over and over again down the road. And I'll kind of show you a little bit more on this, in a little bit in this video right here. But so you got Facebook marketplaces that are really good, like Solo Ads Testimonials. One other really great place you could check out is a source known as UDMI.com, and you could actually use this to find other vendors on here, right? So very similar to the Facebook group that I just showed you. You can go on Udemy. You could sort users by like 40% of buyers that have reported getting sales. You could say, okay, like I want vendors that have gotten like at least 200 plus ratings right here, and then this will give you a list of people that meet that criteria, right? So for example, this Ajay guy right here, if I click on his name, I could in this case I could buy anywhere from 100 clicks all the way up to 1,000 clicks. And simply all you have to do here is you just pay for the amount of clicks that you want, right? So you just give them the link that you want to promote, right? So you want to give them a link to like a capture page that you're promoting. So something where, when someone lands on the page, they could simply enter their email right here. And that's of course how they get access to the program right there. So you do that, you provide the link, you add to cart, you buy the transaction right there. And then from there, they will start sending over those clicks within the next 24 hours, right? So it's a very fast way of getting pretty high quality traffic online. And again, this is primarily for the business slash make money online niche. So if you're in that niche, then this is perfect for that, right? You could also look at the reviews that they're getting, right? So if you see that they've gotten lots of great reviews, like in this case, looks like he's got tons of great reviews, many leads, 3 sales, we'll use them again. So that's another thing to, of course, look out for. And this is a great way to kind of, sift through and kind of see, who's legitimate, right? So Lance says, got 3 sales, 1 upsell. Eddie says, got a couple sales and several opt-ins. So Emil got sales, will order again, right? So this is a great indicator that this traffic that you're getting is very high quality, right? So Udemy is a really great place to check out. One more that I will show you is a source known as Traffic Authority. And this is one that I just recently started using myself. In fact, I'll even show you my results in a minute here. So here I am inside of Traffic Authority, and the way that this platform works is you simply just go in here, you select the traffic package that you want. So they've got different packages that you could buy, and all you have to do here is simply select the package that you want. So of course, the more you pay, the more clicks that you get. So for example, if you just want to start with the basic package, which is $220, that will give you anywhere from 170 to 190 clicks, kind of around that time, right? So you select that package, and then step 2, you just tell them where you want them to send it, right? So again, you just put in, one of the links that you want to promote. So you just put that right in this field. And again, I recommend putting the link to one of your capture pages that you want to promote, right? So you put that right in this field right here. And then from there, you just complete the transaction right there. And I want to show you kind of my results that I'm currently getting with the solo ad run that I'm doing. So I recently ordered about 990 clicks from Traffic Authority about I want to say like a week or 2 ago. And so far, they sent 441 clicks. And of these 441 clicks that I've gotten, so far I've got 123 people of those that have opted in. Now, if you do the math, that is about a 27% opt-in rate that I'm getting with this exact traffic source right here, which is really good, right? So they're currently still sending traffic over to my link. They're getting new leads to me, pretty much on a daily basis. And these are people that, some of them might buy right away. And even for those who don't, I could always follow up with them down the road. And that brings me to the next step that I want to go over in this video is following up with your leads, right? So what you could do is when you are building up your list, you could use a tool like what I'm currently using is Kartra. And this is a really great tool to have if you're looking to build any sort of online business, is some sort of email autoresponder. Now with Kartra specifically, the thing that I really love about Kartra is this is an all-in-one marketing tool. So not only are you getting a really good email autoresponder, but you could also use this to build up your own memberships. You could build up your own funnels with this source. You could also build your own pages. You can collect leads with this program right here. You could also host your own videos. Build your own forums, and there's plenty of other things you could do with this exact tool right here. So this is hands down one of the best tools that you could have in your business. And if you want to try this out for yourself, there is going to be a link down below where you could try this out for like $1. So you could try it out for yourself, see what you think, and then if you don't like it, you could always cancel. There's really no risk to you, but Kartra is a really great tool to have. And with this tool, what I'm mainly using it for is following up with my leads, right? So you could either follow up with your leads either through email, or you could also do text message marketing. So if you are, for example, building out like your email list, or you're like collecting phone numbers, you could also follow up with them that way, right? So for example, if I want to if I want to send out like an email to my 500 something people that I have on my email list, then you could do that simply by clicking over to this create new broadcast button right here. And then you just simply just give it a name, right? So testing 1, 2, 3, right? You just select that, click no category in particular, and then you just click on create right there. And then from here, you just select, do you want to send an email broadcast, or you could also do a text message broadcast if you are collecting phone numbers, right? Of course, for most people, I recommend starting with email. And then if you want, you could also try out SMS marketing as well, which is also a very powerful way to follow up with your leads, right? So as long as you're consistently, once you have an offer, as long as you are consistently sending traffic and you're following up with your leads, then you could have success with any program that you're promoting. And again, if you want to check out the #1 recommended program that I'm currently in, that's allowing me to get these high ticket commissions online, $1,000 in a single day, and you want to leverage something that is working for not just myself but other members to get, these massive high ticket commissions, then there's going to be a link down below this video. So go ahead, check out that program. You can get in for $49 per month. And when you get access to that program, you're going to have access to a simple 4-step system that will allow you to plug into something that's working for other members. And even if you're someone who's non-technical, who's never done marketing online before, all you really have to do is simply follow 4 very simple steps, and then they will provide you all the capture pages, all the sales videos, and all the marketing assets to really help you get up and running. And the main thing that you'll have to focus on is getting traffic to any of the capture pages that they give you, right? So, I want to give you a really cool bonus for if you decide to take action right now. When you decide to jump on board with the program down below, I've got a really cool bonus that will allow you to really help you shorten your learning curve and really maximize your results in the long term, right? What I've got here is an exclusive training that's going to show you how to get up and running. I'm going to show you everything in terms of how to get in the right mindset, how to set up your system. I show you how to set up your exclusive funnels, which is another benefit to joining through me. I've got some exclusive funnels that you can plug into that you can simply leverage. So if you want to copy literally everything that I'm using to promote this exact program, you'll be able to do that with this section of the training right here. I've also got some additional training videos that show you how to become unique. So how to really stand out in your marketplace, how to build your list, how to write your own emails, how to offer bonuses, how to stand head and shoulders above tons of other marketers that will be promoting the same program. And I also show you the best ways of driving traffic. So if you want to learn even more ways on how you can get traffic aside from just solo ads, then that's exactly what this training is really great for. So if you see an opportunity for yourself, you're like, I'm ready to jump on board, I want to get these high ticket commissions online, like $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, then go ahead, visit that link down below, get started today, my friend, and I will see you on the inside, and take care.